Making a doctor's appointment. Dr. Santos' office, how may I help you? Opisina ni Dr. Santos, ano po ang maipaglilingkod ko? Hello, good day. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Santos. Hello, magandang araw. Nais ko sanang magpa-schedule kay Dr. Santos. Certainly. Are you ill at the moment? Siya nga, may sakit ka ba sa kasalukuyan? Yes, I am not feeling well. Oo, masama ang pakiramdam ko. Do you have a fever or any other symptoms? May lagnat ka ba o iba pang uri ng sintomas? Yes, I have a slight fever and aches and pain. Oo, may kaunti akong lagnat, kirot at pananakit din. Okay, Dr. Santos can see you tomorrow. Can you come in the morning? Sige, pwede kang tingnan ni Dr. Santos bukas. Makakapunta ka ba ng umaga? Yes, tomorrow morning is fine. Sige, mabuti na bukas ng umaga. How about 10 o'clock? Pwede kaya alas 10? Yes, 10 o'clock is fine. Oo, ayos lang naman. May I have your name? Pwede ko bang malaman ang iyong pangalan? Yes, it's Ana Reyes. Oo, ako nga pala si Ana Reyes. Have you seen Dr. Santos before? Nakita mo na ba si Dr. Santos dati? Yes, I have a physical exam last year. Oo, nagpasuri ako ng aking pangangatawan noong nakaraang taon. Okay, see you tomorrow. Sige, kita tayo bukas. Drink plenty of warm fluids and have a good night's sleep. Uminom ka ng maraming tubig at matulog ka ng mabuti. Thank you. I'll do my best. Goodbye. Salamat. Pag-iigihan ko. Paalam. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.